second that I see you.
That's a good song.
You won't be surprised. It happens every time. It's nothing new. It's always on a night.
So, hey bro, what's up? Sorry it took so long to get this video to you. The first couple days I had this camera, I had some issues with it, and I don't think it was the camera or the SD card. It was probably something that I did. Some of my video files coming out were lagging, so... But now, I reformatted the memory card, and I have a very specific process every time I want to take the camera down and out, unplug it, plug it back in. You know, I have a very specific process to do that, and so far all my video files from Friday and yesterday came out with absolutely no lag, so I'm happy about that. But this is the dash cam, the Rove R1 DashCam. The memory card was separate. It requires a Samsung Speed Class 10 U3 SD card, and like I said, that actually is separate from the camera. But all in all, with the camera, the SD card, and the shipping and handling, plus I added a 3-year warranty on the camera, it was only $100 bucks. Ain't bad at all. And as you can see, the quality is unreal. Right now I'm recording on 1080p Full HD, and even recording on this Full HD resolution with the 128 gigabyte SD card that I have, I'm still getting 17 hours worth of film, which ain't bad at all. Not bad at all. And you can set it to a loop recording, so every time a new recording starts, if the SD card is full, it will just automatically delete the oldest video file on the camera. Also, on those longer trips, if anything happens, I don't have to sit there and look through an hour-long video for, you know, the event that happened. But it's pretty good. Great quality, and that's what I got it for. Just a good camera with good quality, and I think that's what I got. And for a $60 camera, quality ain't bad at all. But it also does have a Wi-Fi feature, so you can turn the Wi-Fi of the camera on, and you can pair your smartphone to it. You can operate the camera with the phone. You can download files from the camera onto your phone, etc., etc. Now you're in my way. Wow. Nice. See what I mean? You're in my way. You're in my way. So please move. Bam. Right now, you're in my way. Oh, that was for you, Dylan.